Hello and good morning, everyone. I'm Archana and I welcome you back to the channel Being You with Archana. First of all, I apologize for not uploading the content very regularly. And so, this is a promise today which I make to myself that I will be uploading the contents regularly on this particular channel and share as much as knowledge that I have with all of you. So today I have decided to pick up a topic which is very dear to all of us, especially in the current times when the situation is very uncertain and most of us are dealing with our personal as well as our professional lives. There are struggles, I'm sure. There are episodes of achievement in personal as well as professional front. So here is a topic which I would like to discuss today is about quitting your job. So, all of us are quitting our jobs at some point or the other in our lives because change is the only constant. However, many a times this switching of job or resigning from the job is done in a very hasty manner. Most of the times we take these decisions out of emotions. So, I will be talking about the things which you should consider or which we all should consider while thinking about quitting the job. The things that I would be mentioning or I would be presenting through this video are purely from my personal experience or from the experiences that are shared with me by my friends. I am open to hearing from you about the things that you consider while quitting your job or while resigning from your job. So let's see what are the things that we can consider while we are looking for a switch or while we are looking to quit from our job. So the first point according to me is take time for self-reflecting. Okay, try and analyze if there is something wrong, systemically wrong with the organization, or it is your personal issues that you are struggling with. So make an informed decision, take time to reflect, take time to ponder on the things, to analyze the situation, and then come to a conclusion of resigning or quitting from your job. The second important thing which you should consider while quitting your job is work on yourself. Work on yourself means introspect yourself. If unhappiness at work stems from you, that is, if you are unhappy from within, you will be unhappy and satisfied in your next job, next to next job, and all other jobs that you change over a period of time. So all you need to do is you need to check with yourself what are the problems that I'm dealing with and why am I demotivated at my work. Once you analyze the problems, once you analyze the gray areas, you will be able to have that motivation which is coming from within, and you will not change the job only because of the internal demotivation or the internal unhappiness that you are carrying with yourself at the work. Point number 3 is very important. Personally, I consider it to be the most important point, that is, have a discussion with your boss. Before you take a decision, it is always a good idea that you speak to your manager, that you speak to your boss. Tell him or her what is going on in your mind, because if there are any problems that can be resolved, your manager will definitely help you to do that. Because once you take a decision, you close all the doors, you close all the possibilities of resolving the issues. So better have a chat, have a quick dialogue with your manager and see if the problems can be resolved. Point number 4 is don't expect a bidding war. Bidding war is a big no-no when you are having a discussion or when you are putting your resignation in place. Say for example, you have an offer from some other organization and you want your manager or you want your employer to counter that offer. Okay, do not try and threaten the boss or threaten the employer by saying, if you do not give me an X rise, I will leave. Okay, these tactics don't really work in a corporate world. So the point is, don't expect a bidding war. If it is feasible for the employer to give you a rise, or if the employer is trying to match your expectations, well and good. If they don't match, you have the door open, or you can take your own decisions, but please do not end this discussion on a war front. Next important point is, if you want a promotion, ask for it. Have a chat about it. Discuss about it. Okay? Be open about taking more responsibilities, taking up more challenges at work. In most of the cases, the managers won't mind it. Okay? But don't keep it inside. Don't pile up. It's always a good idea to have a dialogue about these issues with your manager than discussing these issues with your colleagues. The next point is, after trying all these things, if you have still decided to quit, I suggest do it gracefully, without having any sore thoughts, any bitter thoughts in your mind. Write a nice resignation letter, a thankful letter to your manager. You should always be appreciative of the guidance and the support and the opportunities given to you by the company as well as by the manager. Be graceful. Even if you are quitting from the organization, your relationships with the colleagues, your relationships with the boss, they don't end here. So you have to do it graciously and gracefully. The seventh point and the most important point, or rather the most critical point, is never burn bridges. Okay, like I mentioned in the earlier point, that even if you are having any bitter thoughts in your mind, do not end it in a bitter way. Okay, do not end it on a bad note, on a sad note, because even if you leave on a dramatic note, it will be just a momentary satisfaction. Okay, it will not help you, or it will not give any satisfaction to the company in the long run. End your relationship with the organization on a good note. Do not have war, do not have conflicting situation while you are leaving with the job or leaving with the organization. And last but not the least, think about, do you really need to quit? This decision needs to be an informed decision. Quitting from the job only because you are sad, you are angry, you are upset will not do any good to you. All you have to do is, you need to analyze. You need to use all your ways, you need to exhaust all the possibilities before making this decision of resigning from the job. And ultimately, when all the possibilities are exhausted, it's your decision finally to resign from the job. But don't quit unless you yourself are convinced that now quitting is the only way out I have in front of me. So friends, that's all as far as things which you can consider while quitting your job. I would like to hear from you, what are your ways, or what do you think while quitting from your current organization, from your current job, and looking for new job opportunities. Also, I would like to know from you about what you would like to hear from me, or what you would like me to prepare a content on. You can mention that in the comment section. Also, show some love, by subscribing to this channel so that I'll prepare more and more content, and it will give me motivation as well to do even better the next time. I thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe, take care of yourself, stay healthy. Thank you.